Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. Today I'm starting a new build. We got the Technic Mercedes-Benz G500. The G-Wagon, looks like a pretty good set. So, I think this is the first big SUV I have actually built. It's been mostly just cars, so this should be a bit interesting. Let's see just the size difference of the SUV. Anyway, let's just get right into the build. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. And as usual with a Technic build, we got a frame right away. So that's the last Technic one I built. Just wonder, it's been a while. I built the I'm not sure which one did I have last time. Okay, we got that. Oh, I know the last thing I built. It was the Mars or the Moon lander. That was quite a cool build. Okay, we're doing each side. So they put them on the same page. This is a new strategy. They're mirrors. They're mirror images, and they put them on the same side or same page. Did I do that right? Okay, I did. So that one goes there. That goes there. Okay. And this one goes on this side. And this one goes on this side. Okay. Oh, we've got a differential. And we gotta get these. Yeah, you gotta put the one on the little post there, bar, first, and then put the other two in. Okay, we got that in there, and then that is supposed to go here, and we put these axle pieces with the ball joint connections on them. Okay, that's there, and then the actual ball joint connectors. Not quite a ball, they kind of go all the ways. Okay. Now these go on top here. Okay, and we're gonna put. Wait a second. Oh, we're putting those in this way. Okay, hold that together. Good and solid that is. And we got a half bar yellow, or half beam in yellow. And then that's gonna go on top of here. That will probably indicate which side is the front, or help indicate that. Okay, that's going to be for connecting some suspension pieces there. And we have, so they did it again, they did each side. We'll start on this side. We have this axle, and we'll just put that axle through here. Any collars? No. Does it just go all the way through? I'm gonna put it all the way through, and then this one goes on this side. And just put that all the way through. Okay. Wait. Oh, I missed that. I missed the black bars. So the black bars have to go on, or the black beams, half beams, they go through first. And then we can, that makes more sense. Okay, then that's better. Now, when we go to the next page and we do this, put the beam and put the axles on the top side, that makes more sense. Okay. Does it push all? No, it doesn't push all the way through, just through the black beams, and then we put the top side on and push that through the top of the suspension. Okay. And then you have black, those half beams go on the other side. Okay, yeah, they still have some there. And we got those on there. Okay. Now we have 4 of these pins go in the front. Or, yeah, they go on this side. Or, no, they go in the dark gray beam. That, and now we have hook up these two, put the ball joints in the top and bottom, okay, and we have these ball joints go in. They do go in there, right? Yeah. And then there is the axle that we have to hook up. So it's not going to stay in there. Oh, it's staying in there. They must have tightened that up a little bit. They usually just fall right out. Okay, so it goes this way. Yeah, I see, like that. Okay, and put those like this. Should be correct. Okay, there we go. That is together. Now half beam, or 2 of these half beams, with the red axles. And we put those we're going to put those through this part, through that side, and put the other half beam on the other side. And do the same for this side. Okay. There we go. Okay, those are in. And we do this way, and then I have this gear is supposed to go, wait, what? Oh, I have to put it in from the bottom because the yellow, that's in the way, and then I put 2 collars on this yellow axle to 2 gray collars, and we push that through there. Does it just, oh, what is it supposed to do? Is it just supposed to go through the gear? This is an unusual spot for the gear, I think. But we'll see what this is gonna do. Okay. Like that. Can I do that? There we go. I think that's right. Oh, it's okay. It is meshing in there. I didn't realize that. Okay, so it's meshing with the differential there. It's going good, and now we have usually the steering. This rack and pinion steering here. Got the rack. And, well, that's interesting. One side of 3 and one side of 2. And then we put ball joints on either side and a black pin in the middle. Oh, that's where this goes. This is going to be an improved. So, did I do that the wrong way? Of course I did. Okay, can I flip them around and do it different? So that needs to come out, and we got that. So this is this way, and this needs to go this way, and this one needs to go this way. Okay, so I think that is correct now. Now I have this axle, put a red color in the middle. Got these two 90-degree pin and axle connectors. Okay, we've got the long blue pins. Uh-oh, these are going to be a pain, aren't they? Got these two. Oh, you got to put those in that way. Yay! These are just tricky to get in normally, and now I have to do it. Okay. So that, oh no, I have it the wrong way again. Okay. That's the way that's supposed to be, I guess. Okay. And then that is supposed to slide in here. Oh, okay, I did that right, I think. It's not sliding off that axle. Oh, look at that. I think that's how that's gonna slide back and forth on there. It's sliding back and forth on the axle. Okay, so I need these brown axles to go into here on the wheels here. And then we have what? We're going to take the long gray axle. It's not super long, just a 4-length axle. And I'm gonna do this like that. And then I got pin. And then this corner half beam. 2 of those go on there. And then a collar. And then I put, okay, this goes on here. So I'm putting this through here for some reason. Well, that is interesting, why the green bar goes in there. Is that just to hold it in? Why is that? That is interesting. That seems unnecessary, but something must make it necessary. Something. They must have ran into some issue where that bar is necessary to keep things together better. Okay. This is the same thing, except the other way. And that's like that. And then we have the collar. And same thing with the green bar. Into the, I don't know. I guess, is it to keep this ball joint from coming out? Does it tend to come out? I know I've had other ones where I can pull it and the ball joint does come out, so. Okay, now we're putting collars on the gray, the brown axle. And we are putting the steering arms on. And there we go. Now it can turn, and it spins. Okay, so this is the front. I think this is the front. I don't think this has the crawler wheels. That has been part one of my Technic Mercedes-Benz G500 build. I put together the front suspension here, and with the differential, everything and steering all hooked up here. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.